Hello everyone, my name is Assis and today I'm very happy while submitting my presentation report on the OTT merger for the Liocinema and Jotstar. These two giant companies from the India are merging and before the merger they wanted to analyze their pre-data, past data to have a better understanding of their content and the subscriber base. I'm very excited to see the output result from my data-driven insights that will affect the business. Before I start my presentation, I really wanted to thank Dhawal sir, Heyman sir, and the entire Code team for making these type of project that really help us to build the confidence while doing the project. Because while doing the project, we face lots of problems, how to handle, how to solve the problem while doing with DAX and also some logical problem. So these type of projects really help us. And after completing the whole analysis, making video presentation and preparing the PPT, it really helps us and gives you experience of a live project and ongoing project that makes you a complete data analyst or complete business analyst. So thank you so much, sir, for making this type of project. Let's start the presentation. So let's start with our primary analysis insights. So the first question here, we have to found the total users and the growth trend for each platform. We can see here I have prepared a table that contains the metrics and the insights from each platform. So we can see here the total users we have recorded higher in Liocinema, that is 1,83,000 customers. In Jotstar we have only 45,000 customers. But in the case of activity users, we recorded 85% activity in Jotstar platform, that is very higher in compared to Liocinema, that is only 55%. Also, we can see the paid subscribers ratio is higher in Jotstar platform, that is 71%, and in Liocinema we have only recorded 34% paid subscribers. In the below, we can see the month-over-month growth rate is higher in Liocinema platform, that is 25%, and in Jotstar we only recorded 10% of growth rate. Let's see our second insight that shows the content availability of each platform and also how they differ in terms of language and the content type. You can see here Liocinema has total content is 1250 and Jotstar has 2360 content. In terms of content type, both platform has three content type, that is movies, series and sports. Or we can see that in terms of language, we have only 7 language in Liocinema and we have greater language content in Jotstar, that is 10 type of language we have. Also, we can see here from the graph that Liocinema leads in Hindi content and Jotstar leads in English content. Let's see our third question, that is to show the distribution of users by age group, city tier and subscription plan. You can see from our first graph that shows the users demography by city that recorded in the Liocinema has the most users from tier 3 cities, and whereas for the Jotstar we have recorded 75% of its users coming from tier 1 city, which means Jotstar holds more premium customers based than Liocinema, which means Jotstar holds more premium customer base than Liocinema. In the second graph, we can see for the age group demography, Liocinema has 44% of its users coming from the age group of 18 to 24, whereas for the Jotstar that attracts 45% of its users that's coming from adult age group, that is 25 to 34. Also, we can see here the user demographic by the subscription plan, that is Liocinema has 57% of free users and 14% is premium and 29% is basic plan users. In the third graph, we can see user demographic for the subscription plan that Liocinema has highest subscriber, that is running on free plan, that is 57%, and only has 14% of premium subscription and 29% is basic plans. But in the case of Jotstar, we have recorded 43% of VIP users, that is similar to basic, and the 30% of premium subscribers, and only 27% is free users. That shows that Jotstar has more paying users while Liocinema relies on more free subscribers. Let's see our fourth question to find the active inactive users and how they varies in terms of age group and subscription plan. We can see here we have recorded almost 50% of ratio of active or inactive users in Liocinema, that is 55% is active users and has the 45% of inactive users, that is almost 50-50 ratio. But in Jotstar we have recorded highest 85% of active users and only 15% inactive users. And also we can see here the active inactive percentage by age group. That is, for the Leo Cinema we have the most active users coming from 40 plus age group, and for the Jotstar platform we have recorded activity is 87% for the 45 plus age group, and remains nearly across all the age group is same with some slight changes. Active inactive percentage by the subscription plan, that is for Leo Cinema is 82% of premium users and 63% of for the basic users active. For Jotstar, the premium users have 93% of active rate, and VIP users are also high active with the activity rates of 86%. Let's see our fifth question to found the insight for the average watch time for Leo Cinema versus Jotstar. So we can see here from the graph that Leo Cinema has average watch time is 60 hours per users, and for the Jotstar we have the average watch time is recorded 351 hours per users. And for both platform, most watch time comes from tier 1 cities. For device type, mobile is the most preferred choice to binge watch the content. This shows the higher users engagement is in Jotstar content. Let's see our sixth question to found the inactivity correlation with watch time. We recorded Leo's in the Leo cinema we have higher inactivity rate that shows the lower watch time, and in case of Jotstar we recorded lower inactivity rates and higher watch time. That shows the Jotstar has a higher active user base with a majority of paid users that leading to higher watch time. Let's see our seventh question to found the how downgrade trends differ in each platform for the Leo cinema and the Jotstar. You can easily see in the graph that Leo cinema has the highest downgrade, that is recorded is 83%. In Jotstar we have only recorded 6% of downgrade trends. Also we can see here our eighth question, that is found the common upgrade transition for Leo Cinema and the Jotstar. Here we can see from the graph that shows the Jotstar has the most common switch from VIP to premium and followed by free to VIP. Also in Leo Cinema the most common switch is free to basic followed by basic to premium. So our ninth question is to found the paid user distribution and especially the premium users for each platform for the Jotstar and the Leo Cinema. We can see here Jotstar has 80% paid users and Leo Cinema has only 34% paid users. Let's see the insight for the premium user demography for Jotstar, that is 26% premium subscribers coming from tier 1 cities and 8% subscribers coming from tier 2 cities. And for the Leo Cinema, we can see the premium user demography, that is only 4% the premium subscriber coming from tier 1 city and 3% are coming from tier 2 cities. Let's see our last primary analysis insight, that is to found the revenue analysis of each platform. We can see the revenue from the period of January to November, that for the Jotstar we have higher revenue, that is 40 million revenue we have generated for the Jotstar, and for Leo Cinema we have only generated 16 million revenue. In terms of city tier contribution, we can see the revenue, that is for the Jotstar we have 66% of revenue coming from tier 1 cities, and for the Leo Cinema we have the revenue of 39% of revenue coming from the tier 2 cities. Also we can see here the top 3 months of revenue for each platform. For the Jotstar, we have recorded January as the highest month with 7 million, and February for the second is, that is 6.4 million. In the case of a Leo Cinema platform, we can see the June is the first the highest month of revenue, that is 1.7 million. July is the second, that is 1.6 million. Let's see also one key point to keep in mind: revenue contribution breakdown for each platform by the age group and also the subscription plan. We can see here for the Jotstar we have the age group, that is 25 to 34 age group, that is a higher contributor with 45% of contribution in revenue, that is also coming from tier 1 cities. And for the Leo Cinema, that is age group is 18 to 24 age group, that is most contributor of with the recorded the 41 percentage. And if we see for the subscription plan contribution for the revenue, we can see the Jotstar has the premium plan contribution most, which is 59 percentage, that is 23 million revenue. And for the Leo Cinema, we have highest contribution is 54% from the basic plan, that is 9 million. So this was the primary analysis, and now let's see our secondary analysis and recommendation. So here the strategy to re-engage inactive users and increase the engage time. AI-driven personalized experience that will improve the recommended content using AI and ML. Also optimize the user experience with deep learning and enhancing UI expertise for the especially personalized user experience. The second is special offers and incentives. We can launch exclusive discount and free trial to attract our new customers with life limited time of offers, and then they will switch to their premium or VIP or basic plans. Also the loyalty program, that referral programs we can implement. The third point is to make inactive users more active. We can send push notification and recommendation that will driven by AI and machine learning, that will only send the recommended and preferred content of the users. Fourth is the targeted marketing and psychological triggers. FOMO strategy that creates urgency of limited content available and exclusive content that triggers users to binge watch the content before it gone. So the second recommendation is what type of brand campaign should a merge platform launch to establish itself on the OTT platform. Here is the top 3 recommended campaign strategy that will definitely affect our merge platform to establish as a game changer in OTT platform. First is star powered campaign. We can have Bollywood star or a cricket star duo to establish our merger. And the second is regional and cultural focus. That is, expanding regional content will help and dominate local markets. Third is promo and limited time strategy. It is also a good strategy to create urgency through exclusive premium content and drive engagement fast. The third recommendation is how can a merge platform price itself its subscription plans to compete effectively while remaining profitability, and also make us unique and different from other common OTT platform in India. In the right side, you can see the visual, that is optimized pricing strategy for user engagement. We can see the loyalty based pricing, triggered pricing model, flexible payment option, and also the bundle and family plan we can optimize with telecom companies. Here we can see the affordable pricing plan, that is low cost plan, also the competitive benchmarking with our competitors after analyzing their plan price. So the freemium model is that when we blend our premium content with ad supported, that it makes is a freemium model where we can also run revenue from the content, and also we can engage our new customers. Also in the left side you can see the successful post merger strategy that I have prepared. It will be a game changer and also a great differentiator from other OTT platform in the market. So the first is temporary pricing control that empowers our user with a temporary pricing flexibility by choosing 1 month plan by self that will come in our under profitability range. When the customer are choosing their plan by themselves, it will give a relative experience to them that will emotionally attach to them. The third is transparent upgrades. After implementing these 2 points, ensuring clear and honest upgrade using push notification or AI voice call awakening users, that which means after 1 month of your selection plan price, second month plan will be run on the company's selected price. So the fourth recommendation is to how we can leverage partnership with telecom companies to expand its subscriber base. So as Leo Cinema is a sub-product of Leo Telecom company, that is has the huge subscriber base, and we can utilize their subscriber base to make a stronger OTT platform by with the content library of the Jotstar. Whereas also I have here mentioned the strategy for the telecom OTT collaboration. That is, first is the exclusive content access for the for the subscriber. Those have the telecom companies SIMs or other plans. Also, the loyalty cashback offers works very good, and the bundle subscription plan on purchasing yearly plans. Fifth recommendation is how we can utilize AI and machine learning to personalize the user experience and improve our content discovery. AI and machine learning will definitely help us to make users personalized content and recommendation, and also help in push notification that make more activity of the users. The second is UI and UX. Also in the case of UI, AI and ML will definitely help us to allow the content placement for better engagement by suggesting their preferred content type. And the third is streaming quality. AI will automatically adjust their quality based on the network availability for the smoother content consumption. And the fourth is the smart search, that is using the ML enhance search accuracy, making content easier to find the users. That will definitely help and will make a user experience very smart. Also, the churn prediction. For our personal use, ML identify our users at risk of leaving and triggers retention offers that will help to retain the customer that are becoming churn. So the last recommendation is who should be the brand ambassador for the newly merged OTT platform. The best option will be Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan because as they are duo of the Bollywood and has a history of a conflict, and now we can show them as two entity merging itself and becoming a brand or a like a differentiator from other OTT platform. The strategy is the strategic advantage of the Bollywood legend is the pan India reach. Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan has a strong presence across all demographic and language regions, and also the cinematic connections. The perfect for the platform focusing on movies and series. Second is cinematic connections, as they are a biggest Bollywood star and has their movies effect is a cinematic and has the huge subscriber base that will definitely affect and improve our platform. Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan has the highest loyal fan base and will definitely improve our long-term subscription plan. So the fourth point is luxury and glamour appeal. Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan are very ideal for the premium OTT positioning because they have the global appeal. It will definitely help us to position us global brand to make a good platform and a prominent platform in the OTT market in India. Thank you.